Hello everyone, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with another prize, which is the BSA Firebird. You can see behind me. You can see it's a lovely bike, and I'm going to show you how to start it. You've got your taps here, one on the left side, one on the right side, which I'll show you now. So, lovely day in the English countryside. Got your right tap there, got your tickler on your carb, so likes a good tickle till the fuel comes out. I have had it running this morning, so not too much needed. This is choke on and this is choke off. Sorry about the wind. Also got a tickler on the other side there, and then a good kick and a bit of throttle and she should start. Oh, one more thing, you've got your ignition key here. Very nice condition. Okay, well thank you for watching the video, and if you do grab yourself a ticket, good luck.